morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Vidya teacher, and today we'll be doing something new. But look at the day, children. What a beautiful day. So let's start our beautiful day with a small prayer. Now everybody should join their hands and close your eyes, children. Yes, I can see everybody. Sit properly, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's say a prayer. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Nityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Sahana Bhunattu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Oh, now slowly you can open your eyes, children. Put your hands down. Very good. Now everybody should sit straight. Okay, very carefully. Listen to the teacher. Okay, as I have told you, I am your teacher and I am Vidya teacher. And today I am going to teach you English. Now you must be wondering why every day new teachers are coming to teach us. Yes, children, you're very lucky. You have got many teachers. In school, you have got one teacher every day. But today, because of this online education, we have got many varieties of teachers. And all are coming here to share with you the knowledge. Now, children, let's start the day. Now, how? What are we going to do? You must be thinking, in English, teacher, what you're going to teach us? Okay, keep the teaching apart. Now, let's pay attention. And teacher will be asking you few questions. You are going to answer. Very simple question. Don't at all get afraid. Oh, what if I don't know? Doesn't matter. Very simple. I know everybody knows the answer. Okay, now you have to guess. It is a small guess game. You have to guess. Okay, you have to guess and tell me. Who am I? Teacher will be asking you some questions. Teacher will be showing you something. Listen carefully. Okay, now let's start our day. The teacher is bringing someone for you. Ta-da! I leap, I jump, and I run. Who am I? Can anybody guess? Who am I? Yes, children, I want you to show your thumbs up, or you can give me the answer in the chat box also quickly. Can you tell me who am I? Who is she? Who is she? Yes, you're correct. Very good. It's a deer. Very nice. Now to look at the deer. Very pretty eyes, beautiful eyes. You have given me the answer correctly, children. Very happy. Now let's see who is coming next to meet you. Okay. Yo, everybody pay attention. I am the king of the lion, king of the jungle. Who am I? Yes, Sakshi. Yes, Prajwal. Can you tell me who? You can type your answer in the chat box quickly. King of the jungle, roaring. My God, Aditi has said it's a lion. Very good, Aditi. Very good. Proud of you, girl. Very nice. Now let's see. You're answering very nicely. Third standard children are very smart. Very good. Now let's see who is coming next. I'm a... Look, I have stripes on my body. I'm orange in color. Guess. Yes, Rohit is smiling. Oh, smile, Rohit. Very happy to see him. Who is he? Yes, Ikra. Excellent, my child. It is a tiger. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, a little bit difficult, I think so. Not difficult, but a little bit different. Okay. Now, here comes someone else. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ho, ho, ho. Can you guess? Who am I? Look at the gun I'm having. Yes, who am I? Think. Look at the mustache. Very cruel, very cunning, and uses his gun. Shum. Uses his gun to shoot animals. Who is he? Think. Yes, Janki. Excellent. Very good, my child. He is a hunter. Very good, Janvi. Very good. Very nice. Children, you're very smart, huh? Let me tell you that. Now let's see. One more interesting one is coming for you. Who am I? Yes. See, he's wearing a uniform. He's wearing a cap. Who is he? Army, police. No. You're somewhat near to it. Near to it. Very good. Try, children. I'll give you one clue. He works in a jungle. He takes care of the jungle. Soldier. No, he takes care of the jungle. See, he's wearing that's why jungle print uniform, army color uniform. Who is he? See, the first word starts with a forest. I will tell you. Forest. First word starts with a forest. Guess. Who is? Yes. Who is he? Very good. He is a forest guard. Remember, children, he is a forest guard. Now, you must be wondering what this forest guard is doing, teacher. No problem. Teacher is here to tell you everything if you don't know. Forest guard is the person who takes care of a jungle. He looks after the jungle. He looks that nobody comes into the jungle and hunt the animals. Nobody is supposed to kill animals. So this man, he works there. He looks after the jungle. And if anybody comes there to harm the animals, to kill them or to hunt them, he immediately catches them and puts them in the jail. Okay, children? Very good. Now let's see what we are going to do today. Now, teacher, you must be saying it's very boring to sit here. Let's do something new, children. Not at all boring. Sitting at home is very boring, I know. This coronavirus has stopped us from coming to school, but it has not stopped us from teaching you. The teacher is going to teach you a skit today. In English, we are going to do a skit. Now, you must be wondering, teacher, we don't know what is a skit. No problem, children. Skit. A skit is a short comic story. Comic means what now, children? You will say, comic. Comic is the one thing that makes you laugh. Ha ha ha. It tickles your funny bones. Now, looking at the puppets, you were so happy. I can see all your smiley faces. Now, when we'll do the puppet show, you'll be more happier. Okay. Now, teacher is going to teach you a skit. Now, what is a skit? Teacher has told you. Skit is a short comic play. It is a comic play. It is like a story, but it is little bit comical, funny. It makes you laugh. Okay. Now, children, today I have shown you a tiger, a lion, okay, a deer. We have met them all. And you have also seen this hunter. Oh. Now, children, do you watch Chhota Bheem, everybody? Everybody watches Chhota Bheem, I know. You people are watching nowadays Chhota Bheem a lot. Now, in Chhota Bheem, children, you see, there are many friends of Chhota Bheem. You have got Chutki, you have got Kalia, you have got Dholu, Golu, you have got Princess Indumati, you have got Indravarman the king. There are many people in the Chota Bheem the cartoon, yes or no? But children, have you ever thought, who are they? What we should call them in English? Yes, children, they are the characters. They are playing some role. Okay, Chota Bheem is a character. Chutki is a character. Similarly, look at this. Our story today is having characters. Now, who are the characters? This deer. This is a character. We have got a tiger. Tiger too is a character in our story. We have a lion. He too is our character. We have a very important role to be played by the forest guard. Who is he? He's a forest guard. Remember children, don't forget the name forest guard. This is new for you. We also have a hunter. Now, children, let me ask you a very simple question. Where you find all these animals? Where you can see all these animals? They stay in our house? Where do they stay? Think, 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 think. Where these animals stay? All these wild animals which I brought today. Where they stay? Can you tell me? Yes, yes, yes. Type quickly in the chat box. Tell me where they stay, where they live. Yes, they live in a jungle. Now our story is also being played. It revolves around in a jungle. So today teacher is going to take you to a jungle. Let's go to the jungle. You all are coming with the teacher? Yes? Follow me. But children, we have to follow some instructions. Not to touch anything in the jungle. Okay? We have to watch very carefully what is going on in the jungle. And one more important thing, children, not to harm any animal. Okay? Promise me. Now we are going in a jungle and you should all be very careful. Slowly, slowly we'll move in the jungle now. Everybody is coming with the teacher. Yes? Quietly we'll go into the jungle. Yes. Children, we are in a jungle now. See, look at the beautiful trees. Look at the grasses. Look at the beautiful sky. We have entered the jungle. Now, as teacher has said, we have to be very quiet. Now, teacher is going to hide. You to hide. Hide and watch carefully what is going on in the jungle. Okay, children, everybody should be very attentive. Now, teacher is afraid of the animals, and I'm going to hide myself. Okay, bye. But we'll meet. Don't you at all worry. Teacher is not going anywhere. Let's go into the jungle. Yes, children, I am hiding behind the bushes. Yes, teacher is hiding behind the bushes and in the jungle. What is happening, see, in the jungle now? Yes, yes, yes. Teacher is in the jungle and what happens? One day, a deer comes and as usual, she is enjoying her day. She is happy in the jungle. La, 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 la. Ah, la, 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 la. Now, suddenly from nowhere, a hunter enters the jungle. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Now the deer is looking at the hunter. Oh my God. Now the hunter. Hello. Who are you? I'm a deer. Let me search for some more animals. Let me see. Where are they? Where is the animal now? I want to hunt them. Now, children, the hunter is in search of the animals. Now, in the jungle, we have many animals. They're enjoying the day. Now, yes, children, look, a lion. Roaring. The hunter comes from nowhere. Hello, who are you? I am a lion. And a roar to tremble your heart. Ha ha ha. Who are you? I am a hunter and I hunt lions. Oh, the lion too is afraid. Runs away, runs away. Now the hunter is going behind the lion to catch him. Now the hunter is coming again. What a beautiful day. Let me hunt for some more animals. Now a tiger is crawling in the jungle. The tiger is happily crawling, looking out for the prey. Now the hunter is asking, hello, who are you? Hello, I am a tiger and I crawl about in this jungle. Who are you? I am a hunter and I hunt tigers. What? Runs away. The hunter too is going behind the tiger to catch him. Now, children, the animals are complaining that the hunter is troubling them in the jungle. So, the forest guard comes to the rescue now. The forest guard hears about the complaints coming from a lion. And here comes a forest guard searching for the hunter in the jungle. And here comes our hunter as usual. He is in search of an animal to hunt, to kill. Very cruel hunter am I. Ha ha ha. Hello, who are you? Who are you? What are you doing in the jungle? This is my jungle. Ha ha ha. I am a hunter and I hunt animals. Who are you? Who are you? So you are the man who is killing my animals? Ha ha! Got you! Ah, now the hunter is trying to run away. He's trying to flee. Ooh, but the forest guard is not going to leave him. Got you! And I'm going to put you in jail. Ta-da! Here comes the story, and it has come to a beautiful end. The forest guard, children. The forest guard has caught the hunter now. Yes, I hope you all have enjoyed. This hunter is very cruel, very cunning, and always trying to hunt animals. Okay, but now this forest guard has put him in jail, and all the animals are very happy. They are happy that the hunter is no more in the jungle. They are very happy. They are enjoying. Now, children, from this story, from this skit, we learn that we shall not. Teacher is coming to you. Now in the jungle, I'm afraid. I'm coming to you. Okay, we'll sit here now. Okay, teacher has sitting here. Now in this story, children, see, the hunter was killing everybody. He was doing all things. He was killing him, killing all the animals. Now, but as you know, as you sow, so shall you reap. So the hunter was catching all the animals. So finally the forest guard came and he caught the hunter and he has put him in jail, that bad boy. Now the animals are very happy, enjoying the day in the forest. So children, we too should not hurt animals. We should take good care of them. Okay? If you will not hurt anybody, nobody will come and hurt you. Okay, children? I hope that you people had this story. Did you like this story, children? Did you like the skit, today's skit? Show me a thumbs up if you liked it. How was the lion? How was the tiger? You should tell me. Show me a thumbs up. Okay? If you like this story. Now, children, this lesson is in our textbook. This skit is in our textbook, page number 40. Okay, page number 40. So today, after this, we are going to do the reading now. Okay, teacher will be sharing screen with you and we will see now. Yes, sir. Okay, just a moment. The screen is being shared. Yes. This is our first screen, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. That is our BMC school, standard 3rd. Our topic, our subject for today is English, and the topic is a skit. Okay. And the next one, Vikhroli Parkside Mumbai Public School. This is where Vidya teacher teaches. And as I told you, today we'll be doing a skit. And today's date is children, 9th of October 2020. Okay, the next one please. Now what is a skit? Children, I have already told you, skit. A skit is a short comic performance. It makes you laugh. It makes the funny bone tickle. Okay, the next one. See, you can see a deer, a tiger. See, the deer is happily roaming about in the jungle. The tiger, the baby tiger, the mummy tiger. See how they're enjoying their day, the movements. Look at the movements, what they're doing. Look at the lion. They're fighting, I think so. They're cuddling over. And a hunter, the cruel hunter. Look at the cruel hunter with a gun, always ready with a gun to shoot. And the last one is a forest guard. These are the people who take care of the forest. Yes. Okay, these are said to be the characters. Character means a person in a novel, play or a film or in your textbook. Okay, characters. The next one please. Now we'll start reading with the lesson. The name of this chapter is a skit. It is on your page number 40. No need of opening the textbook. Teacher has brought the textbook on the screen. A skit. Look at the beautiful jungle, the green jungle, the blue skies, very pretty. And the name of your lesson, a skit. Okay, the next one. Now see here, this is a jungle. Okay, a hunter, a deer, as I've shown you in the puppet show. Look at the pretty surrounding greenery everywhere. And from nowhere, this hunter is coming. Hello, who are you? I am a deer, and I leap, jump, and run. See, it is trying to show. The innocent creature doesn't know it's going to kill him. Who are you? Deer is asking now, who are you? Now let's see what the answer comes. Yes, it will come now, children. The deer is very afraid now, seeing the gun in the hunter's hand. I am a deer. I am a hunter. Ha 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 ha. And I hunt deers. Now the deer, it has heard. She was asking till now. Ah, runs away. Okay. Next one, please. Now see what happens. The deer was afraid and it is running. Now the hunter is catching someone else. Hello. Who are you? I am a lion, and I roar to make your heart tremble. Who are you? The king of the jungle is asking now, who are you? What are you doing in my jungle? Now the hunter is saying, I am a hunter and I hunt lions. Now the lion too is afraid. Oh, runs away. Now the lion too is running away from the hunter. Now let's see what is happening next. And here the lion is again searching for someone else to be hunted. Hello, who are you? The tiger. I am a tiger and prowl about in the jungle. It's roaming. Prowling is to move from here and there to catch something to eat. Now the tiger too is asking, who are you? Now let's see what the hunter will see. The tiger is asking, ha 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 ha. Now see, a forest guard has emerged from nowhere. Somebody has complained to him that this cruel hunter is hunting the animals. Hello, who are you? Hello, I'm a hunter and I hunt animals. Who are you? The hunter is not knowing who he is. Now he's asking, who are you? Let's see what happens next. I am a forest guard and I catch hunters and put them in jail. Now the hunter is afraid. Jail? I'll be going to jail. Oh, better to run away from here. Oh, tries to run away. But the forest guard is not going to leave him. The hunter is running and the forest guard is behind him. Caught you. Look at the beautiful picture, children. The forest guard has finally caught the naughty, cruel hunter, the one who was troubling the animals. What you is saying. And now what is this forest guard going to do? He's going to put him in jail. Very good. Hunting is an offense, you know, children. You should not hunt animals. If you do that, what will happen, you know? You will be put in a jail behind the bars. Like the hunter used to do. He used to kill the animals and put them, and used to kill them, used to cook them, used to remove their skin. So he was doing all bad things. So finally, the forest guard has caught him now and he has put him in jail. Now the next slide, please. See, in the next slide, this is, we'll see your textbook. See, page number 40, lesson number 90, a skit. What all teacher has shown you in the previous slide, same thing, this is in your textbook. See, we can see a hunter, you can see a deer, you can see a lion, you can see a tiger, and here comes the forest guard. See, we too have a forest guard. Teacher too has shown you a forest guard. Is a very helpful one. He helps animals. He takes care of the jungle. And see, this forest guard is carrying a handcuff too. Handcuffs to catch the hunters. Okay. Now see. Today we have done the skit. Okay, teacher has shown you a puppet show. Hope you all have understood. Now next, see children, we are going to do something new now. Okay, now the skit is done, everything is done. Now we'll do something interesting, and that is we are going to study a little bit also. And before that, let me ask you, what have you understood? What have you understood? Now the teacher has shown you the puppet show. Teacher has read the story for you, a skit for you. Now, can you tell me what is the moral we get from this story? What is the moral we get from this skit? Can anybody tell me? Yes? Try to think. What is the moral of the skit? See, we can see animals, all the animals, beautiful animals. What moral you get? Can anybody tell me? Yes, you can type in your chat box. Yes, children, try. Yes, we should not hurt animals. Animals are our friends. Very good. Don't hunt animals. Shubham is saying don't hunt animals. Good. You should never hurt animals. You should never hunt. You should never hurt them because they don't come and hurt us. Do they come to our house? Do they come and kill you? Do they come and catch you? No. Then why? Why, children? Why we should do that to them? Let them stay in the jungle. Let them be happy. Let them roam around. Okay. Now, from this lesson we have learned, from this skit we have learned that we should not hunt animals. Okay. Now, the next thing. Now, see, we have seen many animals in this skit. Now let's see what we have seen, something new words. Which are the new words in this lesson? Tremble, crawl, forest guard, hunter. These are the new words. Now let's look at the meanings. What does this mean? Crawl. The word crawl was there in the textbook. Yes, we had read crawl. The tiger was crawling. Crawl means to move about quietly in search of prey. Now the tiger is not coming and eating us. What the tiger will do? It will crawl in the jungle and eat some animals, small animals. What does tremble means? Tremble means to shake. Oh, with fear. If you see something if you see something strange, what will happen with fear? If you see a lion suddenly coming from nowhere, what will happen? You will tremble with fear. Oh my God. That is tremble. Next slide, please. Now the next one. See, in your textbook, we have got make a collection of the movements of birds and animals. You have to make a collection, they are telling you. Now see, here in this box we have names of animals and birds. And the next column we have got movements. Now see here, bees. What does the bee do now? The bees flit. What does the butterfly do, children? Yes, they flutter around from flowers to flowers. See, look at the picture. Here, teacher has put some pictures also. See how they're fluttering, how the bee is flitting. Yes, the donkeys and the asses, they trot. That movement is said to be trot. Like we people walk, we people run. The animals too have some kind of movements. Different animals have different movements. Now the lion, hyenas, they crawl. The ducks waddle. The rabbit and the toads, they leap. Eagle swoops. Look at the picture here. The eagle is going into the water and swooping, and she's picking up a fish. Look, Very nice and very interesting. See how they do things, and that movement is said to be swoop. Next slide, please. Now the next, we have few more animals here. What they do, what that movement is said, we'll be learning here. Okay. Now the seagulls, snake, what they do, they glide. The cows, it wanders. Look at the picture here. See how the cow is wandering in the forest. They, see the movement. Look at the cows, many cows. They all are wandering. Look at the snake. It is gliding like this on the yes. And look at the crow. You can see in the picture also below, children. The crow is flapping its wings. Yes, the crow's movement. The way it does, it is said to be flap. The cat. Now what the movement of cat is, everybody has got a pet cat nowadays, and what the movement of cat is known as, it is known as steal. Now the cocks, struts, worms means the small things which like a earthworm. What they do, they wiggle, wriggly worms. That's why we say they are the wriggly worms. Now we have got one more question in your textbook, that is, make a collection of words that are made animals and birds, and the sounds you're going to tell. Make a collection of words that describes sounds made by animals and birds. You have to tell me which sound an animal makes. It's going to be very interesting. Now you're going to make the sound to bats. What it is going to do? Bat is going to screech. It is the name of the bird or animal in this column, and the next column is the sound it makes. Now the bats screech, dog barks, cat mew, crow cow moo, loo, frog croaks, turkey gobbles. These are the sound made by these animals. Dog bark, bow, bow, bow. We say bow, bow, bow. That is not bow, bow, bow. In English, we say dog barks. The cat meow, purr. The other word for cat is purr, the sound which cat makes. Okay, the next slide, please. Now, the other animals mentioned in the here is in this column. We have got many animals here. Horse, knees, flies, hum. With the flies, you see, if you see a mosquito, it starts humming, small noise it makes, that is said to be the hum. Wolves, howl. What does the wolves does? It howls. Ow, howls. Snake. What does the snake do? Shh, that is hiss. Snake sound is said to be hiss. Bear. The bear growls. The lion. We know, we have seen today a lion, and what does the lion does? The lion roars. Okay, children. Now the next slide. Teacher has taught you today about skit. We have read the lesson. We have also done the puppet show. Now it's time for you to do something. Now it's your home assignment. Write sentences using suitable combination of words that describe movements of animals or birds. Now see here in this picture, you can see a monkey, and the monkey is swinging on trees. See? It is swinging. So now your homework is, you are going to describe the movement of animals or birds and make a meaningful sentence. Yes. Now for example, teacher has shown you here, monkey swings on trees. Monkey swings on trees. Now children, here we have come to the end of this lesson, a skit. Today, what all things we have done? Let's do a short recap. Teacher has taught you a skit. What is a skit? A skit is a short comic play. It has got comic characters. It makes you laugh. Okay, it is a short story which is very funny, And then we have seen today a new word. What is characters? Characters are the person or the animals or the people who are there in the play. In your book, now in your book, a skit, you have got many characters. A lion is there, a deer is there, a tiger is there, a hunter is there, and then we have the forest guard too. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Yes, children, did you like it? Show me your thumbs up. How was the story, today's story? Did you like the puppet show, children? Show me a thumbs up quickly if you liked it. Show me a thumbs up. If you like the puppet show, you should show me the thumbs up. Look at the lion. Yes, I can see Shubham is saying yes. And stay at home. Okay, you have to be at home. Don't go outside. Okay, take care of yourself till then, children. Bye. Have a nice day.